Hey, it's Andreas from andreasstrom.com, and today I'm going to show you how you can easily and legitimately make at least $50 per hour working from home by creating and selling animated videos with a simple drag and drop online software. So let's get right into it. So let's head over to this website called Fiverr.com. You are probably already familiar with it. If not, Fiverr is the world's largest online marketplace for freelance services. So this is a platform where you can sell and buy online services. So you can sign up for a free account and then you can apply to become a seller. They have a ton of categories, graphic and design, with a ton of subcategories. They have digital marketing, writing and translation, video and animation, music, audio, and even more. Okay, but we're gonna focus on this one, video and animation. And we're gonna focus on the first subcategory, which is whiteboard and animated explainers. So let's check out the gigs in this category. So we can see here that prices are ranging from $180, $350. Here's one for $3,000. Here's one for $50, and here's one for even $5,200. But yeah, it seems like they are ranging from $25 up to even $5,000. Okay, but let's find a pretty normal price. I think $100 is a fair price for a video of this kind. So let's see here. The title says, I will create inbound explainer video or sales video. And as you can see, this guy has 1,274 reviews for this particular gig. He has 16 orders in queue. And you can see up here that it's almost 4,000 people who have marked this gig as a favorite. And that tells me that there's a huge demand for these types of videos. Okay, so let's check the pricing. So he's charging $100 for his basic package, which includes up to 30-second video. The standard package, $160, is up to 60 seconds, and the premium package is up to 90 seconds. And yeah, let's see here. It's 7 days delivery, and I can tell you that you can easily make these videos in less than 1 hour. Probably 30 minutes once you get the hang of it. Okay, so let's just play with some numbers here. What's possible to actually earn from this? Okay, so he has almost 1,300 reviews, and that doesn't include people who order and didn't leave a review, because a lot of people, they order and then they never really care to leave a review. So he probably has a lot more orders than that, 1,500, maybe even 2,000 orders, who knows. But let's just make some calculations. So let's calculate low here. Let's say he only has 1,274 orders. And his packages from 100 to 220. I think most people go with the standard package for $160, but let's just calculate on a low end. So let's say on average $130 per order. So we take the order number and calculate it with $130, and look at that, $165,000. And we're calculating on the low end here, guys. So this guy has probably made far over $200,000 just from this particular gig. So there's a lot of money to be made in this. And don't worry if you don't have any video design skills, because I'm going to show you how you can easily do this with a drag and drop software. So let's head over to this site. It's called Powtoon. It's powtoon.com. I'm gonna put a link in the description for you. And basically it's a drag and drop software with tons of pre-made templates. So I'm just gonna go here and click on templates and take a look at what they have. And you can choose in category if you wish. In work, you have all different categories here. You have educational categories and personal. So let's just go with the work categories first and select all. So you can see some categories here, some templates, business goals, timeline, recruiting a new employee, a company overview, quick facts. Well, basically they have everything you can think of. There are tons of templates that you can just pull up and modify to your client's needs. So this is really simple. Let's just use one. Let's go with this one, get signups. So we can preview this template. So this is how it looks like. So like I said, this is just a template. You can edit and should edit everything in here, modify the text so it fits your client's needs. Let's use this template and see how easy it is to use. So let's just give it a moment to load. It's loading awesomeness, like you can see. Takes a little bit of time. I apologize for that. All right. Here's the template. As you can see, this is a drag and drop builder. I'm just gonna move myself over to the lift here. So basically you can take this, grab it, move it. If you click on it, you can modify the text. You can type in whatever you want. Just keep it where you're fed up with and change this text. So, are you fed up with struggling to get clients? Obviously, you modify this to your customers' needs, what they ask for and what they want in their video. This animation, you can switch it out. You can change the pose. This is pretty funny. You can select him to cry, and we can preview if we click on play here. Are you fed up with struggling to get clients and this guy's crying? Then he moves over to the next slide, which you can also modify. Your company names, you can put in the name of your client. And obviously you can modify this a lot more. There are tons of scenes and intros and specific situations that you can import and use. Most of them requires the pro version of the software, but it's really cheap. It's like $19 per month or something, and you can insert all different types of situations, and everything is, you can modify everything, move it around, change the font, change the text, change the poses. So as you can see, it's extremely easy to work with and extremely newbie friendly, and they have tons of tutorials here. It shows you exactly how everything works, so I'm not gonna waste your time and try to show it to you now because I'm not really good at it. And let's head over to the pricing page. It's really affordable. You can sign up for free to play around with it, see if you like it, and see how easy it is to use. Then you have the Pro version for $19 per month, and Pro Plus for $59. I think this $19 plan is more than enough. You can record in HD up to 15 minutes. You have 2 gigabytes of storage. So anyway, what I recommend you to do is sign up to Fiverr and click here to become a seller. Then I recommend you to do some research in your specific category. Look at what other people are doing, check their gigs, see what they offer, model how they lay out the gigs, what's included or whatnot, the pricing. Since you are a new seller and some of these sellers has tons of reviews, it's a ranking system on Fiverr, and basically, you know, everyone starts from zero, so don't get discouraged if you see people have thousands of reviews. And remember that everyone starts from zero, so just when you start, you should probably put your pricing just a little bit under the normal prices. So the one we checked, he's charging $100. So maybe you can charge $70 for the same gig, and then it's more likely that they come to you, because if you put the same price as someone with tons of reviews and feedback, obviously people are not gonna choose you for the gig. But you should really focus on giving good value for the money, and make sure you give your customer a good experience so they leave a good review for you. And once you start getting a few positive reviews, it's just like a snowball effect. You're gonna get more and more orders, more and more reviews, and you can really start climbing up in the ranking system and the ladder on Fiverr. And yeah, sign up for Powtoon, play around with it, see if you like it, and then come here on Fiverr, create your account, and you're good to go. So if you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more videos on how to work from home, make money online, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I look forward to see you in the next video.